This is my Grade Reader Book 3. It's Do Androids Dream of Electric Sheep? It's the title. And it was written by Philip K. Dick, and it was written in 1968, I think. And this is a story located in a time in 1992. And the main character is Rick Deckard, and he is a seasoned police officer. He's uh he wants to buy a real animal to surprise his neighbor, and he has a electric sheep, and he feeds it all day, and he do not want his neighbor to laugh at him because he just like die die a real sheep. And meanwhile, they're introduced to a mentally changed man named named John Isidore, and he's a weird guy who lives alone in old San Francisco building, and he's a follower of a strange religion. Followers of that Mercerism celebrate empathy by gripping the handles of an empathy box, allowing them to feel the emotions and sensations of other people. Mercerism was founded by a man named Wilbur Mercer, who appears before his followers as an old robed man climbing up a steep hill. And at the same time, they want to learn about the Nexus 6. That is the most developed technology of boat at that time. It's kind of like a satellite, I think. And Rick meets Rachel Rosen and her uncle Eldon, and he begins to administer to test the Nexus 6. And that is all about the story.